Hello guys, review OPPO A18. This version 4GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking, open box. 5000 mAh large battery, 90 Hz refresh rate display. Open box and look device. Device in the blue color. 6.5-inch display. Okay. Open box, and in complementation we have Type-C cable and adapter for charging without quick charge. Default charging. Now talk about device. On the back side, double camera. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. On this side, power button and wall button, power button with fingerprint scanner. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Display we have LCD 90 Hz HD plus resolution. Open settings. About device. Color OS 13.1. Android 13. Okay, and open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results we have CPU Helio G85, Mali G52, MC2. Okay. GTA San Andreas works on the medium graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.